guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 5th episode of this Valentine's Day Fever series. So for today's makeup look, I was thinking to use some bold pink and purple colors, and on the lips go with something more natural. So first I will prime my face and I will use this facial spray from BADESCU and spray it all over my face. I love the smell of it and it makes my skin very smooth, and the application of foundation, it will be much smoother, so I really love doing that. On the eyes, I will use some eye cream, as always, this one from Estee Lauder. I will prime my eyelids using this concealer from L'Oreal, and I will blend that using this concealer brush from Real Techniques. Now, using the same concealer brush, I will take from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera eyeshadow palette the shadow called ESTEE, and I'll apply it all over my eyelid and into the crease, and with circular motions I will buff it out to my eyebrow. Now, using a flat eyeshadow brush, I will take from the same Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette the purple color, and I'll apply it on the outer part of my eyelid. Now, on the other half of my eyelid, I will take the pink color. Now, from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette, I will take on a flat eyeshadow brush the color called Living Lavish, which is this purple eyeshadow, and I will apply it on the top of my purple color I have on my lids. Now I will take from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette the shade called New Money, and I'll apply it on the top of my pink eyeshadow. Now, for the next step, I will be needing a pointy small eyeshadow brush, and from the Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette by BECCA, I will take the shade called Lava and create a line into my crease. Okay, so now let's put some foundation, and I will go ahead and use the Double Wear Liquid Foundation from Estee Lauder. For concealer, I'm using this one by L'Oreal. I will set my foundation and concealer with a finishing powder from NYX Cosmetics. For bronzer, blush and highlighter, I will be using the GLAM Bronze palette from L'Oreal. And for some extra highlighting, I will take this beautiful highlighter from BECCA. And for lashes, I will use the DEMI 120 from Ardelle Beauty. For mascara, I will be using this one by LANCOME. Now for my lips, I will be using 3 different lip products, and firstly I will contour my lips using this lip pencil from L'Oreal. Then I'll go with this MAC Cosmetics lipstick, which is called Honey Love, and it is a beautiful nude color. And on top of that, I will give some shine to my lips, and I will use this lip gloss from Dior. And this is the final result. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it. As always, every product that I've used to create my makeup, I will be linking down below, so make sure you check that info. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification. It will really help me. Don't forget to check out my Twitter and Instagram account. You will find there pictures with different makeup looks that I have created so far, and I will see you tomorrow with a new episode from this Valentine's Day Fever series. Bye!